everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you have joined me today. Today I have a haul and it is a discount coupon haul. So I really am pleased that you have joined me and I can share this with you. If this is your first time visiting, please be certain to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you can be notified every single time I make a video. And I do videos mainly of style boxes, but I also like to do clothing hauls, online shopping, clothing hauls, that type of video, everything clothing, that's my thing. If you're into that too, you've come to the right place. So please subscribe before you leave. I would love for you to join me again. Today, I have a haul that I am really excited about because everything I purchased, all of these boxes just cost me pennies. And the reason being is because I have coupons from these different companies. And so I picked up a pair of pants from Evereve. I am a loyal Trendsend customer, and for Trendsend and Evereve customers, they send out coupons with a coupon code for $15 or a percentage off. I believe it's $15. I got $15 off the item in this bag, so I'm going to show that to you. And then Nordstrom's, I do Trunk Club, and for all of you that do Trunk Club, it is so worth it to use your Nordstrom's credit card and to purchase your Trunk Club clothing. And so that's what I do, and if you use your Nordstrom's credit card, you get double points, and every so often they send you notes. They call them notes, but basically it's free cash to spend on either, you can spend it in Nordstrom's, you can spend it online at Nordstrom's or at Nordstrom's Rack or at Hot Look. And so I had quite a few points and I thought, you know what, I should do a little online shopping, and I had so much fun. So I picked up some things from Hot Look, and I believe in this big box is a pair of shoes that I got from Nordstrom's. So what I am going to do is try those items on and show them to you. We can talk about them and I'll let you know what the prices are, so stick around for the try on. First up is this tee. This is a tiered ruffle tee. This is in an olive color. This is from Nordstrom's Rack, and they offer several different colors. This is Vince Camuto, and this is $19.97. And I opted for an olive color because I don't have an olive color tee. And I thought, you know what, let me get something a little bit darker. Everything in this haul is a little bit darker. So this is Vince Camuto for $19.97. Let me show you this tee. I am loving it. These pants are level 99. They're the Bailey. They're a mid-rise straight pant, and they have that stripe. It's just a change in the wash going down the side. But you guys know I've been looking for these. I found these on clearance at the Evereve website for $23.99. Then I had a $15 coupon, which I was able to apply, and I picked up these pants for $8.99. I did pay for shipping, but still the total price of these pants was less than $15, I believe. So they, I love them. They feel great. Level 99 is such a great brand, and they have the pockets in the front. There is a coin pocket, and this is the back. They've got working pockets in the back. I'll stand back so you can see them. So they are straight, but just about an ankle pant for me. And oh, I love them. What do you think about these stripes? I think I have finally found the pants for me. I had a girlfriend text me this morning because she found a pair of cut from the cloth Reese crop pants on the Evereve website. I believe they were $49, and they had the stripe down the side. So everyone has been on the lookout for these striped pants for me, but I think these ones fit the bill, And I can't believe I scored less than $10 for level 99. Next thing we have are these slip-on sneakers that I picked up. These are by Gobi, and these are the sugar skulls, they call them. I got these for $39.99. Let me take them off and show you, give you a better picture of these shoes. Look at those. I thought they were adorable. The one thing I am a little bit disappointed, I had an idea they were going to be a little bit more yellow in tone, but I like this. They do match the olive color and the darker gray pants, so I think they'll work for me. They do feel like they might be a little bit short. Let me show you the box they come in. I think it's such a cool shoe box. They've got a picture on it, and there's actually a note on the box that says to color this in and hang it on your wall. So if you want some shoebox art, Gobi is the brand for you. Okay, the last clothing item I have, these are a pair of jeans by Philosophy, and I was not able to find them on the website, so I cannot insert a picture. I'm assuming that they sold out. Philosophy, I paid $12. I think they were $12.99, and I wasn't sure. I've never worn this brand before, but I thought they were black. They seem to be more of a charcoal color. I don't know if you can tell, but I was expecting them to be darker, but they have this embellishment on the side. I know a lot of you don't like that. I wasn't sure if I would. I'm digging it. I like this. I think this would look really nice with a black tank or a black top in that halter that I got from Lion & Post. That would look good with these jeans. So let me stand back so you can see them. So this is what they look like. What do you think of this outfit? These shoes, this Vince top. I don't know. I actually really like these jeans. I cannot believe how nice they feel, and $12.99. I'm ecstatic about that. I do know anytime you're purchasing something with embellishment on it, it really seems to limit the amount of times you can wear it. You just can't wear it weekly, or I guess you could if you wanted to, but I would not. But I think these will make a nice addition to my closet. They do have the front pockets. There's a coin pocket and working pockets in the back. There's some stretch to them. These jeans feel awesome. I picked up one more item in this haul from Nordstrom's rack, and that is a bra. I am wearing it right now. It is a Wake-Hole brand. That is the same brand that Stitch Fix sells in their extras. I just picked up a Wake-Hole bra, a T-bra from Stitch Fix, and I love it, and I wanted to try it, so I ordered one from Nordstrom's rack, and this is it. I love it. It still has the tags on it, but I believe I'm going to keep it. It is different. It is more of a lace bra, and it's lighter in the cup, but it still has the underwires, and it feels really nice, and it offers support, so I like that. If you go to the Nordstrom's website, you can find Wake-Hole bras. They are so inexpensive. The one that I got was originally $60, the normal price for Wake-Hole bras, and it was marked down to $29.99, and that's really expensive for Nordstrom's rack. The Wake-Hole bras are really less than $30. You can find them in the $19, $20 range, so I think I might be stocking up on some Wake-Hole bras. You can also find Vince Camuto and Danielle Rain at Nordstrom's rack online. I love that because these are brands that I know and love, and I like to get a great deal on it. I'm really happy about this t-shirt. You guys know how much I love Vince Camuto. I will tell you that at Nordstrom's rack, I had $60 in points, and they sent me a note, is what they call it. But basically, it's just a coupon. Here's $60 free money to spend. But where they got me is if you spend over $100, you get free shipping. So I spent $102 at Nordstrom's, and my whole bill came to about $43, let's call it that. And Another YouTuber, Veronica Foley, is the one that contacted me and said, Kelly, they have the striped jeans at Evereve and they are on sale. When I went there, they were on sale. I thought I better try these. And if I don't like them, I have 30 days to return them. I will not be returning those. I also had a $15 coupon from Evereve, so I was able to pick those jeans up at a steal. I am going to keep them. I'm real happy with everything I received. The surprise in this box is the Philosophy jeans because I've never tried them and they are so inexpensive. So I'm very happy to have them. I really like that I only had to pay a little bit of money for something that is embellished, and I think that I won't get a whole lot of wear out, but I will wear them. So this has been a real fun haul. I would love to hear where you do your clearance shopping, your discount shopping. Tell me, because maybe I'll shop there and I can do a video for you ladies as well. I have to thank you so much for watching my video, for sticking around to the end and letting me share this shopping haul with you. I've had a lot of fun and I hope you have too. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and I appreciate it. Until we meet again, blessings to you.